السلام عليكم يا أطفال الأحبة، مرحبا أهلا وسهلا إلى فصلنا. Today we are taking a new block from our second unit. Our lesson name Man Haulai. Look at the board. Our lesson name Man Haulai. Man. What is the meaning of man? Man meaning who? Man meaning who? Ne. Man. Please read this word. Man. Meanings of man. Who? Who? Haulai meaning these. What is the meaning of haulai? These, not this. These. What is the meaning of these? In Malayalam, ivar or ikootar. Man meaning who, haulai meaning these. Man haulai meaning who are these. Who are these? All of you take page number 17. Page number 17. Page 1 after 7. 17. Look at the textbook. First I am reading this lesson in front of you. After you also read with me. First, I am reading our heading. Man haulai. Man haulai. Meaning of man, who. Spelling of who, W-H-O. Haulai meaning these. Man haulai meaning who are these. Who are these? What is this? Hada. Hadihi meaning hada. Hada and hadihi. Hada meaning this. Hadihi also this. Hada using for male. Hadihi using for female. Hada and hadihi meaning this. This. In Malayalam, idu. Idu. Hada and hadihi. Hada and hadihi. Hada, hadihi. Haulai. 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 Plural form of hada and hadihi. Haulai. Plural form of hada and hadihi. This. These. Like that. Look at the textbook. Sabah al khair. What is this? Sabah al-khair. Reply, Sabah al-noor. Sabah al-noor. Sabah al-khair. Sabah al-noor. Man ha'ula'i? Man ha'ula'i? Ha'ula'i tullab. Ha'ula'i tullab. Next one. Man ula'ika? Man ula'ika? Ula'ika mudarrisuna. Ula'ika mudarrisuna. Shukran. Afwan. Shukran. Afwan. This lesson a conversation. First, this boy telling Sabah al-khair. Sabah al-khair. What is the meaning of Sabah al-khair? Sabah meaning morning. Sabah meaning morning. What is the meaning of khair? Khair. Khair meaning good. Good. Sabah meaning morning. Khair means good. Sabah al-khair means good morning. Sabah al-khair, good morning. Sabah al-noor. What is the meaning of Sabah al-noor? Same meaning, good morning. But we are using a noor in the reply of Sabah al-khair. First, we are telling Sabah al-khair, good morning. Then we will get answer Sabah al-noor. Sabah al-noor meaning good morning. Reply of Sabah al-khair. Next one, man ha'ula'i? You see a question mark in the end of sentence? Yes. We are using this type mark in the end of question. Man ha'ula'i? You ask like a question. Man ha'ula'i? Who are these? Look at the picture. Here more students. Answer. Ha'ula'i tullab. Ha'ula'i tullab. What is the meaning of ha'ula'i? We study meaning of ha'ula'i. Ha'ula'i meaning these. These. Next meaning of tullab. Tullab. What is the meaning of tullab? Students. Tullab meaning students. I am repeating. Man ha'ula'i? Man ha'ula'i? Who are these? Sabah al-khair. Sabah al-noor. Man ha'ula'i? Ha'ula'i tullabun. Next one. Our question from here. Man ula'ika? Man ulaika. Answer: ulaika mudarrisuna. Ulaika mudarrisuna. Shukran. Afwan. Look at the board. هذا هذه. What is the meaning of هذا and هذه? هذا and هذه meaning this. هذا and هذه meaning this. What is the meaning of this? In Malayalam, ഇത്. Haulai meaning these. Haulai meaning these. Haulai plural form of hada and hadihi. Haulai plural form of hada and hadihi. Hada singular, hadihi singular, haulai plural. Hada meaning this, hadihi meaning this, haulai meaning these. In Malayalam, ivar or iva. Like that. What is this? Zalika. What is the meaning of zalika? Zalika meaning that. Zalika meaning that. Tilka. 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 Meaning of tilka. Meaning of tilka, that. Zalika, tilka. Zalika meaning that, tilka also that. That. Zalika using for male, tilka using for female. Hada using for male, hadihi using for female. What is the meaning of zalika in Malayalam? Adu. Tilka also same meaning, but tilka using for female and zalika using for male. Next one, ulaika. Next one, ulaika. 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 What is the meaning of ulaika? What is the meaning of that, zalika and tilka? That. Meaning of ulaika. Those. What is the meaning of ulaika? Those. In Malayalam, ava or our. These meaning, haulai meaning iva, ivar. Ulaika, ava or our. Next one, you know meaning of Twalib? What is the meaning of Twalib? Twalib. Twalib meaning, Twalibun meaning student. Twalibun meaning student. Twalibun meaning student. Twalibun Jamal. What is the meaning of Jamal? We are doing Jim inside of the bracket. This is short form of Jamal. We are using here only first letter Jim. Twalibun Jamal. Tullab. Twalibun Jamal. Tullabun. Students. Twalibun meaning one student. Tullabun meaning students. Like that. Mudarrisun. What is the meaning of mudarris? Mudarrisun meaning teacher. Mudarrisun meaning teacher. This word singular. This is a singular. Mudarrisun Jamal meaning plural. Mudarrisun Jamal. Mudarrisuna. Twalibun student. Twalibun Jamal. Tullabun. Twalibun Jamal. Tullabun. Mudarrisun meaning teacher. Mudarrisun meaning teacher. Mudarrisun Jamal. Mudarrisuna. Teachers. Twalibun meaning one student. Tullabun means many students or students. Mudarrisun one teacher. Mudarrisuna teachers. What is this? Jim. This is short form of Jamma. We are using here only Jim. Look at the board. Man haula'i. Who are these? Hada meaning this. Hadihi meaning this. Hadihi meaning this. Zalika meaning that. Tilka also that. Haula'i. Hada this. Hadihi this. Haula'i meaning these. Next one. Zalika meaning that. Tilka also that. What is the meaning of ulaika? How can you read? Ulaika. Ulaika meaning those. Next one. Shukran. What is this? Shukran. You know meaning of shukran? Shukran meaning thank you. Shukran meaning thank you. Shukran meaning thank you. What is the meaning of afwan? Afwan meaning welcome. Welcome. Shukran. You also read with me. Shukran. Shukran meaning thank you or thanks. Afwan. Afwan. Welcome. All of you take your Arabic textbook and you also join with me. Man ha'ula'i. Man ha'ula'i. What is the meaning of man ha'ula'i? Who are these? Sabah al-khair. Sabah al-khair. Good morning. Sabah al-noor. What is the meaning of Sabah al-noor? Good morning. Same meaning, but we are using Sabah al-noor, reply of Sabah al-khair. Man ha'ula'i? Man ha'ula'i? Who are these? Ha'ula'i tullabun. Ha'ula'i tullabun. These are students. These are students. Ha'ula'i tullabun. Next question from here. Man ulaika? Man ulaika? We study meaning of man. What is the meaning of man? Who? Ulaika meaning those. Ulaika, plural form of Zalika and Tilka. Man ulaika? Who are that? Who are that? Answer. Ulaika mudarrisuna. Ulaika mudarrisuna. Ulaika. Those are teachers. Those are teachers. Shukran. Shukran meaning thank you. Afwan meaning welcome. You read this lesson 2 times very clearly. We are taking tomorrow this lesson again. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.